just look at the curb apparel, the white architecture, the rooftop greenery, the black designer gates. This home doesn't just speak, it commands attention. The moment you drive in, you already know the difference. The spacious paved compound, enough for your cars and guests. First impression, absolutely immaculate. Lagos heat will never stress you again. This is your personal oasis. No hotel needed because you are the hotel. My name is Amrachi, your number one real estate consultant right here in the city of Lekki, Lagos. Now, if you are yet to subscribe on my YouTube page, please remember to do so. And if you are just bumping into my page, please stay glued on my page. Please like, share, and subscribe, as this page promises you the best listings right here in the city of Lekki, Lagos. Now, let's continue exploring this exquisite home we have here. Let's go. When you step inside the living room, you'll be welcomed with the visitors room, which is by my right here. And also we have the powder room here set aside for your guests, which they might not necessarily need to come inside the house. The heart of a home is the kitchen, which is also part of the luxury. In here, we have the oven, we have the microwave, we have the double door refrigerator, double sink, kitchen island. Everything is perfectly crafted for you. And also it's coming with a kitchen pantry. Now, let's keep touring. Welcome upstairs. Now, this property is located in IKOTA. IKOTA is in the heart of Lekki, close to every functional activities. We have a lot of restaurants here. We have film houses. The road network is fantastic. Everything is accessible. Hospitals. So if you are living in this community, this is a gated estate, large, beautiful estate right here with a 24 power supply. So this is absolutely recommended for you. Now, this is 5-bedroom fully detached duplex right here in IKOTA. This property is coming with a swimming pool, large compound space. So like I said, IKOTA is the heart of Lekki, very accessible to every functional activities that you could think of. Hospitals, the estate is wonderful. Everything is literally here. Yes, everything is handy in this place. So when you come upstairs here, this is 5 bed. We have the guest room downstairs. So up here we have 4 rooms here, and it's literally segmented. So we have 2 rooms this way by my left here, and this is where we have the family lounge right here, and by my right here we have another 2 rooms here, the master's bedroom and the other room. So now let's go to the 3 rooms and then the master's bedroom, which is the most exciting place. Let's see the 3 rooms. Welcome to the master's bedroom. This is absolutely beautiful. Like when you step inside this master's bedroom, honestly, I would say that it is not that very big, but it's kind of segmented, but it is big enough for the use for the master's bedroom. So we have enough storage spaces right here. You can see we have enough storage spaces for your clothes and luggage. And then we have this for your accessories, your wristwatches, you name it. So very beautiful place. And then we have the balcony connected to the master's bedroom right here. So this is it. So from here you can look around, you can see your compound space, can see who is at your gate. Very beautiful place. So one thing I love about this home is that each room has a TV console. Literally, you're not doing any TV console, so all the rooms are coming with TV consoles, and sweet and beautiful. Now we also have the toilet right here. They have the bathroom, so very spacious bathroom. You can see it's coming with a water heater, double wash hand basin, and then a bathtub also with a walk-in shower right here. So very beautiful. Now you might be wondering how much this property is in the market. Now I'm always right here bringing you the best deals here in Lagos, so I can guarantee I can recommend this property to you. So this property is in the market for 380 million naira. Yes, 380 million naira. But if you can call me right away, Amara, I have something for you. So we have about 2 units, about 4 units here, but 2 are sold. So we still have 2 units here. So if you want to be the lucky owner of this home, all you need to do is just to pick up your phone and call Amara right now. So please, if you are yet to follow me, if you are yet to subscribe on my channel, please remember to do so that you'll be updated whenever I post new video. So this property is in the market for 380 million naira. Yes. So if this is what you've been looking for in a property with a swimming pool where the Lagos heat will not stress you, where the internet is here available, you have the good road network, you have everything, activity ready and handy from Lekki Phase 1, the road accessibility is 100% fantastic. So all you need to do is to call me right now. So I'm available to bring you here for inspection. So my name is Amarachi. Please stay tuned until you see me on my next real estate episode.